is Holika Nurjana with student number 053. On this occasion, I will present about Switzerland. Let's go! Switzerland, geographically located in Central Europe. The area reaches 41,281 square kilometers. Its borders Germany to the north, French to the west, Italy to the south, Austria to the east, and Liechtenstein to the east. Astronomically, Switzerland is between 45 degrees to 48 degrees north latitude and 5 degrees to 11 degrees east longitude. Most of Switzerland consists of the Alps. The area river in Switzerland has a depth of 200 meters. Switzerland also has several important cities such as Bern, Zurich, and Geneva. And then is religion in Switzerland. The majority of the population of Switzerland is Christian, together with Roman Catholic and Reformed Evangelicals. There are also Orthodox Christian and members of free churches, Jewish, Buddhist, Muslim, Hindu, Sikhs, and other religious communities can be found in Switzerland. Language in Switzerland. These languages are used in different regions based on historical and cultural influence. For example, one, Swiss German, spoken predominantly in German-speaking regions like Zurich, Bern, and Basel. The example is Guten Tag. The meaning is good day. And then is French, spoken in Western Switzerland, including cities like Geneva and Lausanne. Example is Bonjour. The meaning is hello. And then is Italian, used in the certain part of Switzerland, such as in Ticino. Example, Buongiorno. The meaning is good morning. And then is Romance, spoken in some places in the canton of Graubünden. Example, Bandi. The meaning is good day. Swiss men have historically dressed casually and routinely throughout the country. Men who live in the hills prefer letters such because they provide easier mobility when walking, climbing, or hunting. In lowland areas, men wear sort of trousers with thick or wool stocking at head and a shirt with a long self-fitted coat. Swiss women often wear puffy sleeves and colorful skirts, a pretty headpiece, strappy apron, hat, and embroidered bag complete her outfit. Other garments include apron, full-length skirt, and corsets. This outfit is complemented by stylish and bright jewelry. Interesting fact about Switzerland. 1. One of the countries that is nicknamed the cleanest country in the world. Switzerland is also often referred to as the most beautiful country in the world because it has many mountains, forests, rivers, animals, and expanses of grassland, so it can hypnotize people who visit the country. And then Switzerland is famous for its chocolate product. This country is one of the best chocolate producers and the largest chocolate consumer in the world. And then, founder of the International Red Cross, the symbol of the Red Cross was actually derived from the Swiss flag in honor of Henry Dunant, the Swiss founder of the Red Cross. And then Switzerland is known as an international financial center and is renowned for its banking privacy policies. The next, in Switzerland, they don't have an international airport in the capital, Bern. The largest airport in Switzerland is located in Zurich. And then Switzerland is known as the best watch producing country in the world. Famous brands such as Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Tag Heuer originate from there. And the next is country with many mountains. From a geographical perspective, Switzerland is dominated by many mountains. One of the most famous mountains is the Alps. And the next is Switzerland is surrounded by around 7,000 very beautiful lakes. One of the most popular lakes and visited by many tourists in Switzerland every year in Lake Geneva. And the next countries with high health levels. Switzerland is known for having a society with a very low obesity rate compared to other European countries, because the Swiss population really cares about a healthy lifestyle. And then is music and dancing. Usually, which originate in the Alps involves changing your voice natural low pitch to a high tone of a falsetto is a type of music that is distinctive to Switzerland. In the mountains, shepherds mostly use it to communicate with one another. Usually, festivals continue to be organized today, even though you might believe this music genre is no longer relevant. In the past, Switzerland only permitted public dancing on rare occasions, but following World War II, the restrictions were greatly eased, and dancing became a well-liked hobby in Switzerland. The waltz, foxtrot, and polka are among the more traditional dances that the Swiss enjoy, as well as more modern dance styles like breakdance, salsa, and rock and roll. In order to preserve the folk dance of the country, the Trachtenfern organization perform this dance at folk festival and other cultural gatherings. Next is foods. Foods in Switzerland are fondue. Fondue is a sweet cheese dish. When eating fondue, bread is dipped into the melted cheese with long-stemmed forks. And then is Malakoff. A Malakoff is a fried cheese ball most frequently found in western Switzerland. Usually served as a first course, the Malakoff is best operated with carcinus, pitched onions, and mustard. And then is Alpermacaronen or Alpine macaroni. This is a rustic Swiss dish. The dish name this way because the ingredients were once used to feed shepherds who were watching their cows as they grazed in elk pastures. The ingredients are macaroni noodles, cheese, onion, and potatoes. And there is saffron risotto. The Swiss saffron is among the best and most expensive in the world because the stigma of the carcass type and the dark red saffron standards are hand-picked. The saffron risotto is in high demand. And then is polenta or cornmeal. Polenta is a dish made from yellow cornmeal that is mashed into a delicious mess over low heat. This meal is a staple on digital peasant cuisine and along with risotto and chestnut. And then is prohibition and orders. Done. Do not chew gum. If you want to chew gum, try not to do it in public place. This is considered irritable and rude by the Swiss. And then it is prohibited to mow the grass on Sundays. Why? For Swiss people, Sundays is a holiday full of tranquility. So many forms of noise are prohibited on Sundays, one of which is the prohibition on cutting grass. And the next is you are not allowed to read poetry while skiing. Why? The strangest rule in Switzerland is that you cannot read poetry while skiing down a mountain. Even though it sounds strange, this rule really exists. And then is men cannot urinate at night. Men are not allowed to urinate after 10 local time. This is because this activity can cause noise and can disturb local neighbors. And then, if invited, do not drink before the first dose is given by the host. And then, don't call people by their first names unless they invite you. Older people invite younger people. Bosses invite employees. Address them by last name or title. And then is do's. 1. Shut up. Swiss people don't like noisy people. When in public or private place, such as on public transportation, you should remain silent. And then punctuate. And then is punctuality. When you are invited somewhere, you must arrive on time or 5 minutes early. And then please put hand on the table but elbows away from the table when eating. Okay, enough from me. Sorry if there mistake or pronunciation. Thank you. See you.